Okay guys, welcome to our channel again, and tonight we are in El Nido Palawan. So I think the name of this video will be called, I don't know, what do you think, hon?
Nighttime.
Nighttime in Palawan? Or nighttime in El Nido. There you go. El Nido at nighttime. So obviously we're in the tourist area because we're tourists. Tourists not to the Philippines but to El Nido. Let's see, what does El Nido rhyme with? Mosquito? Cheeto? Frito? Okay, so anyways, enough the foolishness. We're going to scope out a place to eat. That's our mission right now. So we were walking around earlier today through this area, and it was pretty dead actually. So my guess is that the reason why there's so many people out here right now, as opposed to earlier today, is these people are probably all out on tours, island hopping tours. And they come in around 5 o'clock, they finish the tours. So I bet a lot of these people came in from island hopping. Hence the reason there's so many damn people running around here. The restaurants. Restaurants are full. A lot of the restaurants are full. I hope ours. We scoped out a restaurant earlier today, picked it out as our location to visit for dinner tonight. I just hope it's
yeah, that is a bar also.
That's a bar also, isn't it? Yeah. So I just hope it's not too slammed. But I don't know, we might get lucky because it's kind of off the beaten path a little bit.
Sure, I will go.
But we'll see. A lot of couples, but still a lot of singles too. So for all you singles out there, come on over and mingle.
How you know that they are single?
Huh?
How you know that they are single?
You can tell. Just look at people. I mean, come on. You think a lot of these girls walking around here would be out here without their boyfriends? Okay, you stay inside the room. I'm gonna go outside and mingle. Or you think the single guys out here running around are gonna leave their girlfriends sitting in the room, in the hotel room? Hey, hon, I'll be back in a little while. I'm just gonna go to the store and pick up some. Let me see. What am I gonna pick up? I don't know. I'll pick up some Coke and maybe some potato chips. But the nearest store to pick up Coke and potato chips is like 4 hours away, so I won't be back until late. Yeah, oh well. So honey, I'll see you in about 4 hours. You think guys are actually going to do that and leave their girlfriend sitting inside the room? Or the girlfriend's going to leave and leave her boyfriend? So come on, you can tell. It's easy to tell. The Poulis. Hi ladies. Hi guys. What's this place?
wait for your promise. Yeah. Promise. Promise. Don't break. You know, you can take a ferry going to Coron.
What's that?
You can take a ferry going to Coron.
Can you really?
Yeah. Coron Island.
Let's go inside here.
You've been here?
Hmm? Yeah. We're just gotta thread the needle here. Yo. Is that it? Oh, they have an upstairs, yeah. Do you think it's, all right, well, this is it right here. This is the place we want to be. It's called, yeah, that's what it's called. Right there. So this is the place we have chosen for dinner tonight. So we're going to go in and eat.